Hello, it's Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother. I'm going to show you how to do a doTERRA LRP order. So I go to doTERRA.com and then just scroll over on the right over my account and click Login. And in my login spot, I'm going to put my doTERRA ID or email and password. And if I click on Remember Me, my web browser will remember all of that. So I can just click Login. Now on the right, you can see I have a loyalty rewards in there right now. But when you very first start, it'll ask you if you want to create a new LRP order. So right here, I'm going to create a new one. Now, any day I choose by the 15th of the month will give me the option to get the free product of the month. So I'm going to click on the 8th, and you can see if I do 125 PV by the 15th of the month, I get the free product of the month. So I'm going to save the date and shop. Now I can choose any of these things right here that I want to, but I'm going to just click on a single oil like lemon or lavender. I'm going to click bergamot and add that to my cart. And I'll just add one more. If I want to learn something about these oils, I can just click on the picture and it will tell me how to use them and lots of information. So I clicked on Copaiba. Now over here on the left up at shop, I can click on shop and go through and look at all the different collections if I want to see everything doTERRA has. I'm going to click on Daily Vitality because I want to show you a really cool trick, what to do with Lifelong Vitality and how to save more money. So here's a Lifelong Vitality pack. And I just want to scroll through to show you what the supplements are right here. And you can click on all of those to get more information. This one here on the left is the vegan. And the one over here on the right are the sachet packets for if you're traveling. But I'm just going to add the regular one. Now, I can add up to any 3 products right here to my Lifelong Vitality and get them at a better price. Can you see? The wholesale price is slashed in half practically. So I do the Terrazyme always and the PB Assist, which is the prebiotic and probiotic. And I'm just going to add the deep blue polyphenols. That's really awesome for inflammation and inflammatory support. Then I'm going to click continue. And in my cart now, those 3 products will be added at a significant discount. And so over here on the right, I click on my bag and I can scroll through to see what's in there, or I can review my order at any time. And you can review your order without having to be locked into that. So I can look through and see how it says customize up there. Those 3 products are now customized, added to my Lifelong Vitality. And I'm just showing you here. See, it says I get the product of the month, but since it's not January yet, then it's not showing me what the product of the month really is. Now you can see my PV is 155, and it shows that my loyalty points earned is 46.50, and my shipping is 4. And that's added together, that's $50.50 in doTERRA dollars to spend however I want. Now, down here, you can see if you're reselling the products, then you click this box. But of course, I never resell products, so I always click personal consumption. And then I always donate to doTERRA's Healing Hands. And I'm going to show you just a little bit about the shipping. You can choose economy, which is the USPS, and they'll deliver that. The standard is UPS if you want it delivered to your door. Or priority mail, or you can do express, whatever you want. And the good thing about paying more is if you want to, you get your product points back. Now here is, if you're going to be in Utah, near Pleasant Grove, Utah, which is south of Salt Lake City, then you can just click pickup and you can go to the product center and pick up your order yourself. So just skip shipping altogether. Now, let's say I forgot something, so I'm going to go into this little quick ad right there and just type in On Guard, and I clicked on the mouthwash. If I type in On Guard, and then I can just scroll through and see whatever else I want to get. And let's say I want the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. So I add that in too. Or you can go back up to shop, and let's say I want to look at all the On Guard products. So I can click on On Guard products right there and just scroll through and see what they've got. Like maybe I forgot something, or I don't know the name of something, or I want to actually click on the picture and learn more about it. You can do all of that. So there you go. But I've already added those things. So I'm going to go to my bag right here. And I just want to look at it and see, does it look right? And either I'm going to save and process, but no, I'm really anxious and I want to check out right now. So you can always do that. You can check out whenever you want. So I'm just going to check my numbers and see what I want. Actually, I'm going to click save and process because that's not really my order that I want. So I'm going back here just so you can see. Up there you could see it tells you what your remaining points are. And you can delete a second loyalty rewards order. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page, you can do that. Or if you need some information, click on the live chat on the bottom down there. But for now, I'm going to delete this loyalty rewards order because I already have one. So that's basically it. Now I'm just going to scroll over my account so I can show you. I can go to my account profile and I can just look at everything there is. I can look at my loyalty rewards orders, my history, payments, if I need to add a credit card or delete a credit card, take care of my shipping addresses, notifications, all of that. But I'm just going to scroll over my name now and sign out. That's basically it. Now you know how to do a doTERRA LRP order. Again, this is Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother.